Alright guys, here we go. It's Biggin's part 8. As we see by the standings, we got the bottoms filled up here. One base card for Dylan and Therm. And I don't think anybody new is in this one, so not much is going to happen. And Chuck's in lead, Texas in second, Taz, Bob, Todd, Mike. A whole bunch with 2 and 3 points here, so. Anywho. Oh yeah? Cool. There we go with our dudes. And Jack times 2, and Mike with the dart listings, Bob, Tex, and Chuck with 5+. So here we go, Jack, 6 darts for you. We're on lucky 13 for this one. 6 darts for Jack. Triple 11's a good one. Single 4. Triple 20. 4 darts, only good on Tuesdays. Triple 13. Triple 10, lots of triples. Epic Boom Sauce 3 that you don't need because you already won it. And single 8. So there's your 6. And we got 3 coming up for Mike. Yeah, I heard Bob was telling me yesterday that the new Logan movie is awesome. Single bull for Mike. Single 8. And single 6. Ouch. All right, Bob, you're gonna get a wheel spin to start, buddy. Montreal, Canadian team, 2 darts for Bob. Boo Habs, by the way. Single 9. Single. Wow, what's with the singles tonight? Single 9, single 14 for Bob. Tex, who has lost his connection once again. Getting a spin. Tex, this is your spin. Dallas Stars, Tex. Get yourself a magnet. Let's see. Give you this nice Dylan Larkin Young Gun canvas. I know you like Detroit and Larkins. So. And Chuck. Oh my god, this could be a break where Chuck doesn't get a magnet. Unless, oh, Vancouver Canucks. So he does end up with a magnet. Anyways, because it's Brian's jersey and album magnet. Should have known. Should have known. Wow, my LA Kings pile is completely empty. What do we got for a jersey? Anything? Oh, not cooperating. Here we go. An Iggy jersey from Ice. And your album magnet is going to be one of my favorite Max Webster albums, actually. Blockheads. Blockheads. I don't know if it's actually called Blockheads, but that's what we called it back in the day. There you go, Chuck. Alright, so we're on 13s, and lots of big points to go around. There's our cereal. Poor Tex having a hard time. Yeah, me too. I like Kim Mitchell. Whoa, Mondo Brick. Whoa! Mondo brick. Texas in and out more than Ron Jeremy. Tex. Base card. Made you laugh. Jason. Base. Public. Half a point. For the Montreal Canadiens, Nathan Beaulieu going to Chuck. And, oh my God, Brian. Epics. Ron Francis Epics. What is with Carolina? Bob, if you've seen the last box I did, it was all Carolina, a few San Jose, and a few Ottawa. It had, I seriously had like 5 Carolina hits in it. These are not numbered, Brian, and it's only 1 point for the mem. But hey, a point is a point. Points are hard to get in this one, so you'll take it. And Dallas James, 10th point. That wasn't even one of the brick packs yet. Kadri, base for Mike. Thomas, base, Hartnell. Thomas, half point. Philip Forsberg, rookie card. And Jason. Getting yourself 3 points, Jason. Welcome to moving on up in the world. Edward Pascal, rookie jersey auto, 3-pointer for you. And a Yotes base for Matt. You go, Matt. Way to hit that 0.4 barrier. Woo! What the? This isn't a brick. There's actually 3 mem cards in here. Or, oh, maybe 1 thick. Okay, it's 2 mem. 1 thick, 1 thin. Never mind. Slow and steady for sure. Martin Erat base for Chuck. Hits for the Columbus Blue Jackets and Matt. RJ Umberger. Platinum red. Out of 100 gets Matt a point and just rockets him right up there. Oh, Matt. Base rookie half point for Chuck. Johan Larson. Tex. Joachim Nordstrom. Rookie jersey auto number 2. 3-point card for Tex, who's in and out, in and out, and in and out. Joachim Nordstrom for Tex. Oh my God. Some more Tex. Tex of ugliness. Patch. Clear cloth patch. Numbered 8 of 10. That is 3 points for the patch. 3 points for it being out of 10. And 1 point for the acetate. Tex, who just lost his connection because he actually got a nice card. Henrik Sedin, 7-point card. And a really nice card, actually. So, I hope you like that pack, Tex, because you just got like 10 points in that pack. That's insane. And Lightning, hey, 10.1 points. Tex has that one too. This one is the same. It has 2 bricks. Or 1 brick and a mem, I should say. So Chucky, Tyler Ennis base. Jason. Oh, wow. This is a good card, actually. Brett Burns, Mirror Gold. Numbered 3 of 5. So serial numbered out of 10 or less is 3 points. And the fact that it's a mirror is an extra point. 4-point card. Jason moving on up to pass Brian, like everybody else. Sorry, Brian. Dallas Stars, James, half point. Valerie Buffalo Sabres and Chuck. Zemgus Girgensons. 1 point for your jersey card there. Buffalo. And a single 13 to go with it. And last, ooh, Canes fan Bob. You were free falling, but now you're climbing the stairs again. Oh wow, that's beautiful. Step on my toe, gold rookie patch autograph. 3 points for the patch. 3 points for the 2 points for the sticker auto. And again, 3 points, number 2 of 5. 3 points for being under 10. So 3, 6, 7, 8 point card. 8 point card for Bob. Nice. A nice card too. So that's an RPA gold. Beautiful. And for the St. Louis Blues and Tex, 10th of a point. Tex, you really got to fix that thing, man. Alright guys, thanks a lot for your support, and we'll catch you on the next one. Have a great night.